बीजेडी विधायक अरुण कुमार साहू कहते हैं बीजू जनता दल के राज्यसभा में MMDR संशोधन अधिनियम 2026 का विरोध किया गया क्योंकि ओडिशा में कई तरह के खनिजों का सबसे बड़ा भंडार है। उन्होंने सारी ताकत अपने हाथों में ले ली है। सबसे ज्यादा खनिज भंडार वाले राज्य के नागरिक होने के नाते बीजू जनता दल इस संशोधन बिल का विरोध कर रहा है क्योंकि अगर केंद्र सब कुछ अपने पास रखता है,
बॉक्साइट 75%, iron ores 35%, manganese 44%, and coal reserve 25%. The highest reserve in the country, that is Odisha. And they have taken all the rights, even if the mines, minerals and the land, every rights the union government has taken into their hands. Being the citizen of a state, the highest reserve state, Biju Janata Dal has been opposing this act, this amendment bill, because if center will operate everything, if all the power will be vested in the hand of the union government, then what the states will get? What the states will get? This is the question of economic autonomy. This is the question of the federalism, the federal system. The states should have the control over all these things. But this is most unfortunate things that the union government with the brute majority, they have been exercising their majority power and taking all the decision making and all the things into their hand. It cannot be tolerated. Our honorable leader of opposition, the former chief minister Sri Naveen Patnaik, he raised this question vehemently to oppose this act. Accordingly, all the Biju Janata Dal people will oppose, including all the people of the state. They will come forward to oppose this kind of attack on economic autonomy of the state. Ji? Already in every sector, if you will see the fiscal management, Odisha was number one in the country under the leadership of Sri Naveen Patnaik when he is chief minister. And if Odisha has been doing well since last many years under the leadership of Sri Naveen Patnaik, in the last 2 years, the system failure, the policy paralysis have started when the Bharatiya Janata Party government has come.